5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Red River Gorge to Sea to Prize, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Canton around 5:10 p.m. Beattyville around 5:15 p.m. White Ash around 5:20 p.m. Daysboro around 5:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Simpson and Roseport. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Breathitt, Estill, Lee, and Wolfe. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the hazard listening area. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Johnson County, northwestern Floyd County, east central Magoffin County until 6 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Swamp Ranch, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Paintsville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brainerd around 5:35 p.m. Prestonsburg around 5:40 p.m. Dock around 5:45 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Floyd, Johnson, and Magoffin. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Estill County, northwestern Breathitt County, Lee County, Wolfe County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m. severe thunderstorm warning for Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Breathitt County, southern Magoffin County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Filworker, or 8 miles southwest of Salyersville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ducal around 6:05 p.m. Conley Station around 6:10 p.m. Swampton around 6:15 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Breathitt and Magoffin. The severe thunderstorm warning for Lawrence County is canceled. The storm, which prompted a chance of rain 70%. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mingo County in southern West Virginia, southwestern Logan County in southern West Virginia until 6:30 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delbarton, Oregon, 7 miles northeast of Williamson, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Del Barton, Red Jacket, Chadoy, Holden, Chauncey, Myrtle, Barney, Switzer, Meter, Pine, Lenore, and Sarah Ann. This includes Route 119 between mile markers 1 and 22. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Mingo, West